Hi everyone, this is Amrit Maldonado. Hope everyone is well. Thank you again for tuning in to our channel. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our Panther Initialization file. This is also known as your prol5w32 or prol5w64.ini file, depending on what business your Panther application is. I will cover which initialization file is being used by your Panther application, as well as how to force your Panther application to use your customized initialization file. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Panther or ProDev, the Panther editor. Now I've installed Panther here on C, Prolifics. I have got two instances of Panther. 553.07 is a 32-bit version and 5.53.07.64 is the 64-bit version of 553. So let me drill down to ProDev, which is in the util folder. ProDev, there we go, open it up. And it finds an initialization file. Great. It complains that it doesn't have your path to your Java JVM. That's fine. I'll press OK. Alright, let me do view library table of contents, and it opens up by default client.lib in my SM-base folder. It gives me a default frame title. Now, where is Panther picking up all these configuration information that's definitely been set in an initialization file? Alright, so there are one of three places you could look at. The first place we'll look at is in the Windows folder. So remember, the frame title says Panther, right? I'm closing this. Let me go to the Windows folder. In the Windows folder, you will have an initialization file here, prol, there we go, 5w32. This is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. Let me open this with Notepad++. And okay, so I've actually customized this frame title to say C:Windows. So I know for a fact that Panther is not picking up the initialization file from C Windows. All right, so let me close both of these. I had one open up earlier on. Another initialization file would be located where Panther is installed. It's your SM base, your config folder. All right, let's see what's there. There is a prol5w32.ini file. Open it up with Notepad++. And it says Panther here. So I'm going to customize it and say Panther in config. Save this. And when I open up Panther, if it says this is the frame title, that means I'm indeed using this initialization file. So go to my config folder, go up to my util, open up ProDev. Nope, it still says Panther. Alright, so the last place you want to look for the initialization file is in your C users folder. Okay, let me go back to this file explorer. So this will be more like in your user directory. So users, my ID for this computer is acore. I want to look for in my app data folder, but it's a hidden directory, so let me go ahead and check hidden items, and there we go, app data. I think it's local virtual store, there we go, virtual store, Windows, and there should be an initialization file right here. Okay, great. Let me open this using Notepad. I'm going to customize it, say Panther in virtual store folder. Save it, minimize this, and let's open up ProDev in my util folder. There you go, Panther in VS. So three different places to locate your initialization file. In the virtual store, your user ID, app data, local virtual store with Windows. That's one place you want to look for it. The other place is, of course, in your SM-base config folder. And the third place is in your C Windows folder. Okay, so what if I want to customize the location of this initialization file? Like, for example, I want this to be located in my C temp folder. There you go. I like my application to be pick up the initialization file in my C temp folder. So let me copy one over there. There we go. I'll copy this one to my temp folder, and I will change the frame title in temp. Okay, save it. Closing this, closing Panther. Now what I'll do is you'll need to create a shortcut. So let me get my ProDev, Prolifics, in my util folder. Get your application. Now I'm actually doing this with ProDev, but this will also work with your ProRun, which is your runtime application. Create shortcut. Where's my shortcut? Did I lose my shortcut? There you go. Put it right here. Replace the file in destination. Oh, I had another ProDev, that's why. I will rename this Panther 553 32-bit. Now go to your properties behind the icon. All right, so the trick is to add it to your target. So this is the executable I'm running. What you'll do is put -ini C:temp and the name of your initialization file. All right, now be careful here. Do not add .ini at the end. All right, this is all you need here. Prol5w32. Because if you add a .ini, it will not find it. So apply, press OK, and let me open up Panther 553, and it picked up the correct initialization file. I'm forcing it to look for the initialization file in the temp folder. All right. Well, that's all I have for now, folks. Again, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you configure your Panther application. Thank you.